beauty of traveling is to also know that when you travel, you meet people. You also become more exposed to so many things. And this is one of the reasons why we keep saying to those at home, let us allow ourselves to be free. And the reason for that is Nigeria is not going to work. If anyone tells you Nigeria is going to work, please disregard such. My name is Olami Koiki. Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. I have said it continuously. An average Nigerian is suffering from so many things, and one of those things are the basic things of life, healthcare. Many Nigerians today do not have access to basic healthcare. The government refused to provide healthcare. The state refused to provide healthcare. Let's talk about the education. The education sector has been destroyed compared to what it used to be during the late Obafemi Awolowo, during the regional government. So today, millions of Yoruba people in the southwest part of Nigeria do not have access to daycare. So many children are born, they can't have access to healthcare, they can't have access to education. Let's come to welfare. Many Nigerians are more than the numbers keep growing. Many Nigerians, and I'm talking about almost 130 million Nigerians as of today, do not have access to welfare. So the question then is, who do we look up to? For 63 years, it is the same rhetorics, it is the same campaign. And up till date, in 2023, Nigeria continue to fail Nigerians. This is Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Should we remain in Nigeria, that means that we will not also have access to good security. The insecurity in Nigeria continue to kill as many Nigerians, whether through on your road, in your house. Nigeria do not have what it takes to provide security for you. So the question then is, why do we want to remain as this entity that cannot provide all the basic things of life for us? Once again, why should we want to destroy our own identity as a Yoruba as compared to being part of Nigeria? Mo kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, from wherever you're watching. Ìdí tí mo tún ṣe jáde ní èní tí mo tún sọ fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ni pé kí ni àǹfààní tí a fẹ́ jẹ nínú Nàìjíríà tí a fi ń sọ pé a fẹ́ remain nínú Nàìjíríà. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni wá, we are ethnic groups, indigenous. So kí láǹfààní tó ń bẹ nínú Nàìjíríà tá fi takú pé a fẹ́ gba Yorùbá nation táwa ń fẹ́. Tá bá kúkú dá dúró, ìyàtọ̀ máa wà. Olúkálùkù á dá orúkọ yẹ́ máa gbé káàkiri tí wọ́n ń pè ní Odùduwà Republic, Yorùbá nation, Yorùbá kingdom. Àkókò tí ń bẹ tẹ́lẹ̀ kó tó di pé àwọn òyìnbó aláwọ̀ funfun dé tọ́wádà gbogbo ẹ̀rù. Ìdí tá ṣe ń sọ fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pé ẹ jẹ́ ká rò dáadáa, ẹ jẹ́ ká wo èní, ẹ jẹ́ ká wo ọ̀la, ẹ jẹ́ ká túbọ̀ tẹpá mọ́ pé tí a bá dúró sínú Nàìjíríà, a máa fawọ́ aago sẹ́yìn ni. Lótìtọ́ àwọn olóṣèlú wa wọ́n ò fẹ́ darapọ̀ mọ́ ìjàngbara tí a gbé dání. nítorí pé in táwọn rí òun ni pé àwọn fẹ́ máa rán ní Nàìjíríà tí kò ṣiṣẹ́. Nàìjíríà ò lè ṣiṣẹ́. Tó bá wo ẹ̀yìn ni gbogbo àwọn tó ń rí oríṣiríṣi ìlú ló ń bẹ nínú ẹ̀. Bí kò ṣe ń rí wọn láláwọ̀ funfun yẹn, oríṣiríṣi ìlú ni wọ́n. Ìdí tá a ṣe ń sọ pé ẹ jẹ́ ká fi Nàìjíríà sílẹ̀. Nàìjíríà yóò lè ṣiṣẹ́. Ó ti late, àsìkò ti tó. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń rí tó ń lọ tó ń bọ̀ yìí oríṣiríṣi ẹ̀yà ni wọ́n. Ìdí tá a ṣe ń sọ pé Yorùbá nation òun nìkan ló lè ṣe. Koiki lèmi jẹ́ Ọláyọmí Koiki. Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep.